Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Erica. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the best blogging niches for Pinterest in 2020. So you want to stay tuned and watch this video till the end to find out all of the top and trending niches that you can go ahead and join this year and beyond. Now these niches can also be promoted on other social media platforms as well. So let's get into it, guys. First on our list we have yoga. As you can see here on Google Trends, yoga has been consistent for the past 5 years, and that is exactly what you want to look for if you are getting into a new niche. Now, there has been seasonal dips, as you can see here on the chart, but it's nothing important, and you know that this particular niche is going to go back up once this seasonal dip is over. So if we go to Pinterest, guys, you'll see here that yoga has 13.3 million followers, and you also have other keywords here as well at the bottom that you can go ahead and create boards around and sell affiliate products, join affiliate Amazon associates to promote products for yoga in this particular niche on this platform. If we go over to Google, you're going to see that yoga gets 1.8 million monthly searches, and guys, this niche is huge. If you can go ahead and create content consistently in this niche using Pinterest to drive traffic, you are going to get results. So next we have celebrities. Now, why did I decide to add this particular niche into this video is because celebrities is a trending and evergreen niche that you can join, guys. There's always news about celebrities, and this particular type of niche can be promoted on sites like Reddit, Instagram, Facebook, you name it. People come online at the end of the day to relax, and if they can get celebrity gossip, celebrity news, people like those kind of topics. So if you join this particular niche, you will be able to drive a lot of traffic to your AdSense blog, your media.net blog, whatever it is. You just create content consistently, use Google Trends to find what's trending, and you can go ahead and create content in this particular niche. So if we go to Pinterest, you're going to see that celebrity has 33.8 million followers, guys. This is huge. If you go and join this niche, guys, you're not going to regret it. You have actresses, celebrity style, entertainment, celebrity dads, and all of the different other subtopics that you can target and create content around. Now, if we go to Google, you're going to see that this particular niche has around 800,000 monthly searches. So let's move on to the next one. But before we do, guys, I just want to let you know that with this kind of niche, you can promote products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and all of that good stuff. You know, creating using sites like Redbubble, Teespring, and merch to create products with celebrity images or celebrity quotes on them, and promoting it on your social media profiles as well can help you generate extra income, not only using AdSense. So next we have sewing. Sewing generates a lot of traffic. If you can give sewing tips, sewing tutorials, and anything in the sewing category or sewing niche on Pinterest, you are going to get a lot of traffic. As you can see, in the past 5 years, this particular niche is really consistent and is very high. There are a little bit of dips, but nothing too serious. You can go ahead and try your hand at this niche. If you come onto Pinterest, you have 10.9 million followers in this particular niche, and as you can see, there are a lot of tutorials, DIY, and stuff that you can go ahead and create content around. If you go to Google as well, you're going to see that this has 246,000 monthly searches on Google, and you really want to go ahead and try this. Now, there are a lot of affiliate programs in this particular niche. You have Amazon associates that you can go ahead and promote tools for sewing machines, and you have tons of affiliate programs that you can promote in this particular niche. So let's move on to the next one. Next on the list, guys, we have books. Now, books are very, very, very huge on Pinterest, guys. People love to read. They love to read on Pinterest. Women on Pinterest love to read at the end of the day, and they come on Pinterest looking for inspiration in this particular niche. If we go on to Pinterest, you are going to see that there are 41 million followers in the books niche. So you can use Amazon Associates to go ahead and promote books on Pinterest that people are going to sign up for, they're going to buy, and you are going to make a lot of affiliate commissions if you join this particular niche. If you go back to Google Trends, you're going to see that this has been a consistent niche that has been trending for the past 5 years. You can also use these charts below to find all of the different search queries in this particular niche. Now on Google, let's go ahead and check on Google right now, and we check for books. You're gonna see, guys, that this has 1.8 million monthly searches. So let's move on to the next one. So another niche that is very, very popular on Pinterest, guys, is the movies niche. If you can go ahead and create a blog that you give movies reviews on that blog, and you promote movies or new movies that are out from Amazon Associates, guys, you can make a lot of money in this particular niche. Not only traffic or AdSense earnings from this particular niche. As you can see here, you have 7.7 million followers, and if we go back, you're going to see in the past 5 years it has had some dips, but nothing very deep. It has stayed over this line, and this is something that, yeah, they have some spikes when there's a new movie coming out or stuff like that that people search for. You're gonna get these spikes, but this is a consistent niche that you can target on Pinterest. So if we go to Google and you search for movies, you're gonna see that this has 11 million monthly searches, and your competition is low. You have other keywords here that you can target as well. Next, we have investing, guys. As you can see here, in the past 5 years, this particular niche has been going upwards, and this is exactly what you want to look for in any kind of niche that you are trying to get into. Now, this is a very, very costly keyword that if you go ahead and create a blog around, you are going to make a lot of money from AdSense, because this particular keyword is very expensive, guys. And if you go to Pinterest, you're going to see that they have other subtopics in the investing niche that you can go ahead and target. You have startups, you have personal finance, you have finance. Personal finance has 305,000 followers. Now, the followers may be small, but you have tons of other subtopics, like you see here: debt consolidation, frugal living, finance tips, debt-free, Dave Ramsey, and all of that. In these particular subtopics, in this particular niche, they also have a lot of followers as well. Creating related content in this particular niche can get you a lot of traffic to your blog, and there are tons of affiliate programs that you can promote in this particular niche on Pinterest, guys. So if you go to Google and you search for finance, you're going to see that this has 1.2 million monthly searches, and if we go to personal finance, this one has 50,000 monthly searches. Next, guys, we have woodworking. So as you can see here, this particular niche has some dips, and these are seasonal dips. Some niches, they do very well, they stay on top, you can get a lot of traffic consistently, but at certain time of the year you get higher amounts of traffic. But as you can see here, it is above the 50 line, and that is what you want. You don't want dips going below the lines and going back up, and that wouldn't be a good niche for you to target. So if we go to Pinterest, you're going to see that woodworking has 23 million followers, guys, and there are some topics in this particular niche that you can target as well. You have woodworking shop, woodworking tools, and there are tons of affiliate programs that you can promote in this particular niche, and you can promote Amazon associate products using this niche, and you can make money with Google AdSense. So there are 3 ways that you can make money with this particular niche using Pinterest, guys. So next we have gardening. Now don't be discouraged by this particular how do you call it, this trend here, because gardening is seasonal. You see people get into gardening at certain time of the year, but like I said previously, you don't want your dips to go very low, below a certain line. But when you see this kind of niche, you know that this kind of niche is highly seasonal. And if you can, get into this kind of niche as a side, income stream, it's going to be perfect. There are tons of affiliate program in this particular niche, Amazon associates, and tons of affiliate programs, gardening tools, gardening ideas, gardening tips and stuff that people are going to, once you create content around, people are going to want to go ahead and see it. So if we go to Pinterest, you're going to see that this has almost 49 million followers. You have other keywords here at the bottom as well. You got landscaping. We're going to get into landscaping and flowers in a little bit. You got herbs, vines, and all of that good stuff that you can go ahead and target. So there are tons of affiliate programs. You're going to make money with Google AdSense. You just need to put in a little bit of work. You see here you have over 500,000 monthly searches for this particular keyword, and as you can see here, you have gardening tools, and this has 110,000 monthly searches. So if you promote gardening tools on your gardening blog along with your gardening tutorials, you'll make money from your tools, from your AdSense, and all of that good stuff. So let's move on to the next one. So similar to the gardening niche, you have flowers. Flowers are huge on Pinterest as well, and there are seasonal dips, but yes, this is a consistent niche, and there are tons of keywords that you can find in this particular niche to go ahead and create your post around. So if we go to Pinterest, you're going to see that this has 34 million followers. Now I recommend that you use this particular niche to sell Amazon associate products like, flower vases and, flower seeds that people can go ahead and buy so that they can plant them in their gardens. You can create tutorials on how to, plant these different type of flowers. And as you can see here, there are other keywords as well. Exotic flowers, orchids, tea roses, and all of that good stuff. Now you can create tutorial like list post 10 most beautiful roses in 2020 or stuff like that, and those kinds of posts can drive a lot of traffic to your blog and help you make money with Google AdSense. So if we go to Google and type in flowers, you're going to see that this has 4 million monthly searches, guys, and your cost per click is huge, so you're going to make money with Google AdSense if you actually go ahead and create content around this particular niche, guys. So next we have landscaping. Landscaping is also a seasonal niche, guys, but it is consistent. It has been for the past 5 years, but it goes down at a certain time of the year. And if we go to Pinterest, you're going to see that this one has 18 million followers on Pinterest. Landscaping is a very highly targeted keyword. You can make a lot of money with Google AdSense if you create tutorials in this particular type of niche. You have landscaping ideas, front yard landscaping, and all of that other subtopics that you can create content around. You can sell a lot of affiliate products in this particular niche with Amazon associates, and there are affiliate programs for companies that do landscaping, and they're going to pay you a high commission for recommending people to their services. So this is a highly money-making niche that you can go ahead and join, and you can see here there are followers for this particular niche in this on Pinterest as well. So if we go to Google, you'll see that this one has 800,000 monthly searches, and you have other keywords that you can target as well. So let's move on to the next one. Okay guys, next we have gadgets. Now as you can see here, this is a cool niche that you can go ahead and get into on Pinterest, and they're showing you the type of content that people find engaging on Pinterest in this particular niche, and you can sell a lot of products with this particular niche, especially with Amazon Associates, guys. You can see all the top gadgets in this particular niche. People go ahead and they, create these kinds of posts, like 20 insanely cool gadgets gone viral. And I can assure you that this particular post is getting tons and tons and tons of views daily just from Pinterest. And that's a lot of money made with AdSense, guys. You have other, subtopics here like tech gadgets and new gadgets, smartwatch, and all of that good stuff. As you can see, the kinds of images these people have on here and videos as well. You need to go ahead and get into this niche if you have some experience or if you like gadgets. So if we go and check for it, you're going to see that this has 68,000 monthly searches on Google, and you have some other keywords here as well, guys. So you see that these guys make videos and they post them on YouTube. I am sure that they are getting tons and tons of affiliate sales from Amazon Associates. So let's move on to the next one. Now, as you may already know, guys, on the internet, if you want to make money, there are three niches that you want to get into. You got the health, the wealth, and the relationship. Now there are a lot of sub niches in the relationships category that you can go ahead and pursue, and you have tons of affiliate programs that pay out huge commissions in this particular niche. Now if we go to Pinterest, you'll see here that this has seasonal dips, but it's also consistent. If we go to Pinterest, you're going to see that this has 40.6 million followers, guys. 40.6 million followers, and that you can go ahead and create your content and put it in front of these guys on Pinterest. You are going to get clicks if you use the list post strategies to create your posts. And like this one has 30-day relationship challenge. And yeah, this is an infographic. It doesn't drive a lot of traffic. You get a lot of saves from it, but you can go ahead and create an image different from this one, and you're going to get a lot of clicks from Pinterest to your post. Now you can promote a lot of affiliate programs if you just go ahead and search for like dating affiliate programs on Google. You are going to come up with millions and millions and millions of dating affiliate programs that pay out a lot of commissions. Huge affiliate commissions that you can make a lot of money around, guys. So let's move on to the next one. Next we have the beauty niche, and as you can see, this one is on the upward, guys. This is on the upwards, and it has been consistently for the past 5 years. So if we go on to Pinterest, you're going to see that makeup has almost 95 million followers. So if you can create tutorials on how to 10 ways to apply an eyeshadow, and you send people back to your blog, you are going to get a lot of traffic, guys. You are going to get a lot of traffic in this, just using this particular niche on Pinterest, guys. This is huge. I actually had a beauty blog, and I was getting a lot of traffic and making a lot of money per month in this particular niche. So if we go to Google and you type in makeup or beauty, you're going to see that this has 1.8 million monthly searches. So these are the top niches that you can go ahead and join for Pinterest in 2020 and beyond, guys. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and you want to stay awesome until next time.